Hey everyone, welcome back to TK's Tech Talk. I'm back for another unboxing video of the Galaxy Z TriFold. So I'm not sure if you've seen my short already, but that phone I actually collected for my brother as he wasn't able to from the store, and this one was delivered by Samsung online to myself today. One interesting thing I noticed, even though it came in bubble wrap and packaging after packaging, there's no plastic wrap around this phone like there was from the one in the store. The first phone that I picked up yesterday was number 494 of 500. This one is number 87 of 500. I guess I got there a bit earlier for this pre-order online. And also in the packaging was this letter from Samsung. I'll just leave it up here for a second and you can pause it if you really want to read it. With that all out of the way, there's nothing really too exciting around the box. It's just a grey box with some stickers and stuff on it. And I'm just going to take off the tabs so that we can have a look at the phone again. That came off much easier than in store. Right, let's get inside this box. And there is another box with the silhouette of the phone. This has the case and the USB cable and SIM ejector tool, etc. Let's put that to the side for now. And here is the Z TriFold, or Z TriFold. Right, let's get the phone out of the box first. And let's do the plastic peel. I hope it's in focus. There we go, very satisfying. And let's do the first fold. Turn it around and get the other screen protector off. There we go. The phone is now unboxed. Right, let's power it on. And then while it powers on, you have to hold it for a while. Okay, I actually had to open it up to power it on. That was strange. So while that powers on, I'll put this to the side for now. Let's have a quick look at the accessories that came inside here. So let's open this box up again. And inside here is the case. I'll take a look at that at the moment. I didn't look at this one properly yesterday. Is there anything else inside there? Doesn't look like it. And by the way, there is under this card here, the 45-watt charger, which I won't need right now anyway. So then maybe I'll just get rid of this box altogether. And let's take out whatever's inside here. So here we have the SIM ejector tool, USB cable, and quick start guide. I really won't be needing any of that. And now let's take out the case. And there is the case. I guess some people will argue that it's a very basic looking case, but I actually quite like this. It's similar to what I have on my Z Fold 3. And let's actually get the device and put it on. So I know this phone is a bit chunky, as you can see from here, but to be honest, if you think about it, you've got a phone and a tablet just by opening it up, 2 devices in one. Can't ask for more than that. So the other thing I want to mention here is the SIM slot is actually on the inside. There it is. It takes 2 nano SIMs. There is no eSIM support. So if that's something you were hoping for, bear in mind that this fold, at least the TriFold in the UAE, does not have eSIM. It's just 2 nano SIMs. I think I'm going to end the video here for now because I want to play about with the phone, look at the features, set it up, and then talk more about it compared to other devices and see how it works. But for now, I'm going to end this as an unboxing and overview. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.